Oh my god, look at this spaghetti area here. Have nothing. Look at this. My goodness. Up here, the paper towel area. Look at this. Paper towel. Have no more squash here. Potatoes. Have nothing left.
Where is everybody? There's nobody here.
Here he is.
Everyone's in isolation. Uh-oh. I-15 closed from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Oh, it's close. It's 11:03 in the evening now. And we're going to grocery in nighttime.
Nobody's on the road. Where is everybody?
Please stop saying that.
Oh no!
Have nothing here.
Even the freeway is closed.
Look at this here.
Ah,
Oh,
here
have
comes
one.
somebody. Looks like he's racing.
Look at that. Have no traffic.
There's only a few cars at the store too.
Yep.
There might be nothing left when we get in there. But
We're
gonna
going
go
to shopping, guys. We look at it, what's look like inside now, if have nothing there or have leftover.
1,000.
I want to show you guys here in America.
They are. Here's all the people.
check. This is gonna be Jersey Mike's, RJ.
That's a new
Jersey Mike's, right here.
restaurant, honey.
That's the new drive-in restaurant they're building.
Mm.
Jersey Mike's, you know what they sell?
What?
Hot dogs.
How do you know?
There's a sign they put up today.
Let's see, we still have a cars there. See,
That's amazing.
Papa Marpies.
Closed.
See that?
I've ever seen, but it's crowded.
Yeah, still have
11
cars.
o'clock at night, it's crowded.
Look at the wow, Winco have a lot of people here. I think it's only us because almost the midnight.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay guys, we're going to inside. Okay guys, we here. We shopping in 11 o'clock in PM. Let's see how many people. First we get this card. People not sleep. It's close now. It's close. I think have no people. Look at this. What?
Of the workers.
Yeah.
You got soda?
Yeah.
There's the water.
Oh, look at that, the water.
Oh yeah.
Have nothing left here. See, here is the water this before, but now look at this. Have no more.
Water here.
Have no more water. I get one. Soda. Where is? I get this. Oh, not that. Where I get? There is. Oh, only one left.
You want to open or close?
That's that the
What? Careful, Raja.
Bananas are gone.
Oh my God! Look at that there. The bananas. Here, the apple have nothing. My goodness. My goodness, have nothing now left. Look at this.
There's only one apple.
Oh my goodness, you have no more apple, RJ. You have nothing.
Get this one.
Only one. Ay, this no good that. Only two left are you?
Good.
Oh my God.
It's not good. That's not that grocery.
Different. Ah,
What?
my my goodness. Have no people
They
put.
probably have it tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. You gotta get it.
Yeah. Look at this guys. Walang wala nang mango. Walang mango dito. Okay. Only two left mango.
Must have been a madhouse today.
Look at this.
You know.
You want this? Cabbage.
No mixed drinks today.
Want to make a pancit? Pancit bihon. Tingnan nyo guys. Wala na dyan. At this. Mushroom. Look at mushroom. See here.
No mixed coconuts, I guess.
What?
No mixed coconuts.
Coconut.
Like Wednesday.
Say onion and bananas.
Ribs.
No. Yeah.
Love you.
Look at this here. All the onions.
Garlic.
And the orange have left over there. Look at that there. Oh, garlic. Have garlic. I get one. Tingnan nyo guys. Maliit ng tira. Doon, wala na. I get garlic.
Really?
Yeah.
Those are, that must be water.
This water? Oh, gallon water.
Gallon jug.
There's water.
Yeah, water. Tingnan nyo ano ang natira dito. Ito bread here, RJ. What?
Bread.
Oo, have no,
Put it right there.
have no more cornbread now. The stocking now. Look at this, the meat here. Oh, what's this? The bacon,
Not yet.
and the hot dog here. Wow. Have no more chicken. Look at this stocks.
Don't get any of this. And don't get everyone chickens.
My goodness.
Yeah. I'll take one Cheeto.
You want to eat that? Yeah, we look at the waffle, RJ. You have no apple, RJ. This is a kanan, eh? Tomato sauce. At this tomato sauce. Take one. Cheese it. Look at this, the stocks here.
I want to see something.
There is here. Look at this.
I want to find out.
See the shelf on the little bit left.
I would say
Woo! Look at this. The shelf. Ay, we buy up spaghetti, Hannah. Where's the spaghetti? You want beans?
want some beans.
Can we get a beans? 2 beans?
8 beans.
Okay, go.
One day's got to learn. No, don't eat these. You need to learn to eat these.
7,000.
They don't have your food in.
Yeah,
We give
we get a spaghetti, Hannah. Spaghetti. Yep. Oh my god, look at this spaghetti area here. Have nothing. Look at this. My goodness.
We go to pasta.
Panic buying.
Pasta.
Yo, nothing there.
There
Here, maybe have here. See, have here. Oh. Yeah, cause have a little bit. Have nothing, no?
noodles.
Yeah, okay, good now.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there is. We get here. Some-
You
Have
gotta
to.
do yourself. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Look at this.
Okay.
The crack.
Okay, we get this.
you already have 5. You said, right?
Already
You get one more.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. You make decisions in your life.
Yeah.
What do you got?
This honey. The crunchy. This.
What's this?
Okay, we good now.
I want
See?
to buy some more beef.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Chunky. Hardy.
You have a Chuck E. Cheese. Boy.
Chuck E. Cheese. Go pick what you want, RJ. You have no food, RJ.
Let's wait across, see if we get a bit
Okay. Up here, the paper towel area. Look at this. Paper towel.
Do you see this?
Oh my god. Oh, all the paper towel. Have nothing here left. But this. Yeah, have no more toilet paper. Look at this. My goodness. Come here, RJ. Don't dare. What?
ice cream right there.
What?
Need ice cream.
Oh, ice cream. Yeah, ice cream here. Yeah, I get ice cream.
Let's get some drink.
I get this.
And get some.
And daddy here. The ice cream have mini stack.
Get 20.
20. No, it's not.
Get
Okay,
20.
we're gonna.
Go there, we're out.
Listen, the only thing that's coming from my
Look at the waffle. See the waffle? Oh my god. RJ waffle have nothing, RJ. Yeah,
They all think
you
about
have no food, RJ. See? All is gone. There is big one. There.
April 2nd of 2021.
Okay. Okay, RJ, come here now. Have
That
here.
one. It's that one, 100.
Here is. That's your favorite.
Home style original.
Yep. Di kami, RJ.
Take it out of the box and stuff. All the boxes go in the water.
What the?
Don't step on the
Oh, look at the eggs, RJ. See. See the eggs here. Only few left. Hi guys, I'm here. We get milk. Where's the milk? See the blue, RJ. Have no stocks. Oh, dairy.
Today's the 16th.
Is that dairy?
No, April 1st.
Yeah.
I have this April 1st.
Oh my goodness. Oh, dairy, honey. Oh.
I'm calling you in there.
RJ. Okay, we go now.
Close. Bacon, we got sausage. How about the frozen bread? Biscuits, we want to have
It's up to you.
You know what I'm talking about? Pops and back
Why do
Oh, the chicken. Look at this. Chicken.
you want to get the 20th bacon?
28 bacon.
I have 19 bacons in our fridge.
That there. Have nothing. See. Hot dog. Okay, we go.
Let's go look see if there's an apple in
Okay.
there.
See here. The pork. Have nothing. Okay. What else, RJ?
Okay. You do what you like?
Here, RJ.
You know what cookies you like?
What? Chip ahoy, you want? Yeah. You want?
Oh, Noah.
We got another box of Nilla.
Okay. Okay, we go. Have no more squash here. Potatoes. Have nothing left. Lane is closed. There we go, guys. We done now.
A few supplies. Not enough.
Only little bit.
All the fruits and veggies are gone.
Yep.
Put some heavy stuff in here.
Hey guys, we're done now shopping. Okay guys, we're going to Walmart. We try to look at. There you go.
Look, they're getting food. They're open 24 hours. Burrito.
Only few cars now in the road. It's 11:47.
Here's the Chevrolet place.
Chevrolet.
It's dark over there.
Yep, it's dark now.
They're open 24 hours too, but
Yeah.
everyone's closing at 12 midnight. Looks like nobody there.
Look at this here, only a few cars
Looks
here.
like it's closed.
Oh, it's closed now here. See? What's in here? Close. Attention customer. 15 temporary hours. You see that attention customer effective March 15 our temporary hours of operation will be 6 a.m. and 11 p.m.
Right, they closed. Almost
Okay, it's closed now here.
Smith. I know Smith's changed their hours too. They used to stay up until midnight.
Here is 24 hours, not before.
Wake up, 24 hours before.
Yeah, now it's
They're just
11.
overwhelmed.
Yep. Okay guys, we're going to Smith's.
Good. Let's go. And Walmart. Walmart was
Smith's,
closed,
Walmart, and Winco.
And Winco's like half day.
And Walmart
Winco
is
checked us out.
closed. Not now in the Smith, we're going there.
Walmart opens up at 6 a.m. And from what I've heard on the news, people line up before the opening
Yep.
because the shelves are stocked with new stuff. And they come in to get it, all the people. By the time you get there at noon, we get there at noon or something, it'd be all the good stuff would be gone.
Here is Smith's.
Oh, it's empty.
It says close. Midnight is here to close, so close now.
Yeah, they closed early. Oh, it's open. Look. See the door?
They have no people here.
Got 3 more minutes.
What?
3 more
Here
minutes.
is
Miss
Smith's
what?
Till midnight.
Marketplace.
8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Uh-oh.
First store hours. They now close at 10 p.m. But we know now, to have a chance of getting what you want, you got to go early.
Yep. Morning.
Morning. But maybe wait till the 8 to 9 rush gets through, and then come here at like 11.
Okay guys, that's it. That's it, our video for tonight. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.